everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited today to share this video with you. It's a quick DIY that I did. Well, quick, but it's a DIY I did, and I was inspired by my sister and her home decor. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kelly. This is the Thedivaden, and I like to talk all things home related in hopes of helping you make your home a reflection of what you love and of your personality. So this DIY is inspired by my sister and her Christmas decor. Her house is spectacular. I went to visit her on the weekend. I forgot how beautifully she decorates her house. It is magical. And she's always had an obsession with Frosty the Snowman, snowmen in general, at Christmas time, and reindeer. So her house is a mixture of beautiful reindeers and golds and glitter and silver glitter and you name it. But the star of the show are her Frosty the Snowman hats. She has this unbelievable black Christmas tree. Yes, you heard me correctly. It's a black Christmas tree. I don't know where she found it. She found it years ago, and it sits in her living room, and it's simply decorated with these little pics of all these different Frosty hats. It is so cute, and it inspired me for this DIY because also around her house she has the Frosty hat sitting around for different things. In the corner of her kitchen is this huge one, and it holds all her utensils in it, like her, her spatulas and her whisks and all that stuff. It's huge. It's gorgeous. And then throughout her house, she has smaller versions that are sitting on tables where she places her keys when she comes in from the garage, or it holds candy or whatever. So I was inspired by these Frosty hats when I went to visit. So I'm going to take you along while I show you how I made this cute little snowman, Frosty the Snowman hat, and I really hope you enjoy it. So I hope you stick around to see how I made this. And if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoy this video and you'll think about subscribing by hitting that red button below. Love to have you join me each week. I try to post videos every Wednesday on anything home related, whether it's organizing, cleaning, cooking, DIYs, whatever. I hope you stick around and join me each week. And for those of you that are returning, thank you for stopping and spending some time with me again, and I hope you enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's get making our Frosty the Snowman Santa hat. Here are the items I'm going to be using to make my Frosty hat. I got a saucer for the bottom of a planter just at the dollar store. Then this pack of plastic pots I also got at the dollar store, and they came in about 5 in a pack, and they were about $3. And then I'm going to use some black spray paint to spray both the pot and the saucer. And of course some embellishments for your hat. I'm going to use this red ribbon that I had on hand and some of these little picks I got at the dollar store. Then of course some glue gun, scissors, maybe I might need some wire, and of course wire cutters, not sure yet. The saucer is going to serve as the brim of the hat, and of course the pots will be the main focus of the hat. Here's the pot and the little saucer all dry. I let the paint dry overnight, so hopefully you can see now how this hat might be coming together. And I'm pretty excited with this. I think it's going to look adorable. So now what I want to do is, before I glue the bottom onto the saucer, the pot onto the saucer, I want to add some embellishment. So I'm going to add this red ribbon and probably a little sparkly poinsettia to finish this off. So I think I'll add the ribbon first. So I'm just going to adhere the ribbon onto the bottom of the pot with my hot glue. And let's hope, if you saw my last video, let's hope I don't burn myself this time. Now that the ribbon is on, I'm just at the seam, I'm just going to add my little embellishment just to cover it up. There we go. It's looking pretty cute. And now I'm just going to adhere this to the bottom of the saucer. And that's it. There's my little Frosty hat. I love it. I think it looks so cute. So there you have it. Isn't it cute? There's my Frosty inspired hat. I think it's adorable and I can see so many different uses for it. You could fill this with candy and take it as a hostess gift, or how about using it in the kids' bathroom for the toothbrushes during this holiday season? I bet you they'd love it. Or a teacher gift filled with candies or bath salts or something. Or even just in your own home filled with candy canes for people to enjoy. But I love this. This was inspired by my sister and her gorgeous decorations. And I'm really happy with it. I actually think I might be making a few more because, you know, hostess gifts. This could be a really cute hostess gift. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll think about giving it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I hope you'll think about subscribing by hitting that red button below. I'd love to have you join me each week as I post weekly videos on all things home related. And until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye, you guys. It's so cute. I love it.